Let's compute. So we're going to do all this in the calculator. We just did 5 factorial. That's 120. 7 factorial. We'll first type in the 7 and get the factorial by going to math, probability, factorial. Or again, you might have a PRB button. So 50, 40. 7 factorial over 5 factorial. Well, we're not going to need a calculator for this one. You totally can if you want to. But notice by design, 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 all the way down to 1. Well, 5 factorial is 5 all the way down to 1, which means all this right here that I'm crossing out is 5 factorial, and that cancels with this 5 factorial. So notice we are left with 7 times 6, which is 42. Now if you use your calculator, totally fine, no issues there. And now for part D, same idea, 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times all the way down to 5 factorial. 5 factorial is downstairs, so those will just cancel. 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So, as before, oops, wrong one. There goes the 5 factorials, wrong color. Why you know? There we go. And then upstairs we have 7 times 6, which is 42, and downstairs we have 2 times 1, which is 2. So 42 over 2 is 21. Now if you're going to put the last one in your calculator, you have to be very careful. Oops, I went too far. Because you need to put the 5 factorial and the 2 factorial, excuse me, in parentheses. And notice I'm also putting a time sign in between. The TI should be fine without it. The Casios, for whatever reason, I think you need to put a time sign. So that's how you can get your answer. So you absolutely need parentheses.